Beverly Joan here at Tameron Hyundai, and I'm so excited that you inquired about our 2019 Santa Fe. As you can see, I have one pulled here behind me on the showroom floor. This vehicle features a honeycomb waterfall grille, wraparound projector headlights, LED daytime running lights, 19-inch premium alloy wheels with the wheel locks and nitrogen-filled tires. Safety features: blind spot detection, lane keep assist, and rear traffic alert. Come on the inside, let me show you what the vehicle has to store on the inside. This vehicle is equipped with leather seating, a 7-inch audio display, Apple, Android, CarPlay, and Bluetooth capability. All of your controls can be handled here on your steering wheel. Cruise control, auto start stop. But that is not the best thing about this vehicle. The best thing about our vehicle is our warranty. Beverly, this vehicle comes equipped with a 5-year, 60,000-mile new car warranty, 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. But exclusively here at Tameron, we double that to 20-year, 200,000 miles. So again, come see me here at Tameron, 1 mile north of the Galleria. You can give me a call at 205-380-6250. Looking forward to speaking with you, but remember, you're going to love the way you're treated here at Tameron.